Okay, Mr. Fletch, here we're doing another piece of enlargement. The difference between the last one and the new one is that now we're going to be enlarging from an enlargement centre that's not at the origin of the graph. So we're being asked to enlarge A, the square, by a scale factor of 3, with a centre of enlargement rather at -2, -1. Right, so first things first, let's get our centre of enlargement plotted on the graph. So there's our centre of enlargement. Okay, now if we've got paper we'll do this with a ruler and some rays, but you get the idea that we can kind of do it by eye with vectors really. So if we line up our ruler between the centre of enlargement and a point that we're trying to enlarge, say this one, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So 4 along, 2 up. Okay, 4 along, 2 up. Okay, now we're on a scale factor of 3, so I need to make this green line 3 times as long. Okay, so I need to go another 4 along and 2 up. Okay, and another 4 along and 2 up. Okay, and that is where that one is going to end up. And do that for another point over here. So here we're going to be going 1, 2, 3 along, 1, 2, 3 up. So it's 3 along and 3 up each time. So I'm going to do it with the ruler, but you can kind of do it by eye on the grid in Mr. Hegarty. So we're going along, 3 along and 3 up. Okay, 3 along and 3 up. And 3 along and 3 up. Okay, I've just managed to get that one in there. And we know that with enlargement, the shape of the shape's not being flipped or rotated, so it's going to stay the same shape, but it's going to be, because the scale factor is 3, the lengths are going to be 3 times as long, and we know it's a square, so we know that if we started off with the square 1 wide, right, then it's now going to be 3 wide, isn't it? So I mean, I could do some more rays and figure out where all the points go, but it might just get a bit confusing. It's probably easier just to, at this point, draw the other points in and draw the resulting image or shape. Okay, and I've been asked to label it B, so there we go, I've labelled it B. Quick check then, it was 1 wide, now it's 3 wide. Perfect, the scale factor was 3. It's 1 high, it's 3 high, scale factor 3, we're good. Okay, so what are the coordinates of the shape B? So this point here is going to be, what, 7 and 5. Remembering in coordinate space we are doing X and then Y, so X, okay. And the next one along, oh, hang on, I need to just extend my numbers a little bit. 10. So this one is going to be 10, 5, isn't it? 10, 5, and this one is going to be 10, 8, and this one is going to be 7, 8. Okay, and then we're done. Have a go at the Hegarty clip.